The massive criminal fraud case against Theranos founder Elizabeth Holmes continued today in San Jose.
A former Theranos employee took the stand, giving key details about the inner workings of that company. KTVU investigative reporter Evan Cernovsky was in court today, and he joins us now with more on today's developments. Evan.
That's right, Julie. That former manager reported directly to Elizabeth Holmes. She took the witness stand for the second day. She was followed today by a nurse practitioner in Arizona who used the results from Theranos' labs. Elizabeth Holmes and her mother entered court Tuesday ahead of crucial testimony in San Jose. Sarika Gangak-Hedkar spent the day answering questions under cross-examination from defense counsel. She worked in Theranos' research and development lab and has been a crucial witness for the prosecution. She described failures with Theranos' testing equipment. But under cross-examination, Gangak-Hedkar talked about many of the achievements her team made in developing tests for antibodies. She provided the results directly to Holmes.
The defense is methodically demonstrating that she is getting a lot of positive information showing that.
Ellen Kreitzberg is a law professor at Santa Clara University. She said Gangak-Hedkar's testimony will be key in proving intent.
The charges that are being brought against Elizabeth Holmes are not just that she gave investors inaccurate information. Some of that may or may not even be disputed. It's that when she gave the information to investors, to doctors, and to patients, that her state of mind at that time, her intent, was to defraud them.
Gangak-Hedkar quit Theranos in 2013. She said she warned Holmes that her technology was not performing up to federal standards. A nurse practitioner from Tempe, Arizona took the stand next. She described using Theranos' blood testing equipment in 2014 at her OB/GYN clinic. She said Theranos' tests indicated that a patient was having a miscarriage when she was not. She testified, "I felt uncertain of the validity of the results and felt uncomfortable as a provider having my patients draw there." Theranos later sent her a corrected test after she already received accurate tests from a different testing company. Now, just before court adjourned today, that patient who got those faulty test results saying she was having a miscarriage, she took the witness stand to testify. Reporting live in San Jose, Evan Cernovsky, KTVU, Fox 2 News.
Evan, do we know about how many more witnesses are expected to take the stand and possibly who will be called up next?
Well, just before the trial started, the prosecution put out a witness list. There's more than 20 witnesses on there, including high-profile people like Henry Kissinger and the journalist for the Wall Street Journal who broke this, John Carreyrou. We don't know if they're going to actually take the witness stand, and they may very well call other people to the witness stand as well. Julie?
Evan, I'm wondering how technical is the prosecution can get. Sometimes you can get overly technical, talking about the thing that I can't, the Einstein, and how it was created and all of the inner workings, and it can just, jurors can just glaze over, and it's not effective. Are you getting any sense of how technical they're going to get in their prosecution?
Frank, this is a technical case. It's a white-collar corporate fraud case. It's a paper case, they call it. So it's not like a criminal case where you have an autopsy and gunshots, for example. It's all in the documents, and it's very technical. It's technical for the prosecution, and it's even more technical in some cases for the defense, who's really picking apart the prosecution piece by piece. But so far, I've been watching the jury, and they seem very engaged with the testimony so far. Frank?
And just real quick, how about Elizabeth Holmes? What's she doing during the trial? Is she engaged? Any reaction from her that's visible to you?
Yeah, Elizabeth Holmes is very engaged. She's sitting upright, listening very intently to all of the testimony, paying close attention. She's got her family there most of the days. Today, as you saw, she came in with her mom, holding hands. This is something that's near and dear to her, something she knows every bit about, and she's paying very close attention to every word that's being said by every witness.
All right, Evan, thank you.